There's so much of negativity on the internet today, but the thing is that you need to focus on all the positive things that are happening in your life. You don't need to compare your life with the other people you see on internet, on Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere in your life. So you need to be very grateful for what you have, the parents that you have, the partner that you have, the things that you have. You know what you're gonna take along? The love that you will share here with the world, the love that you will give. It's the only thing that you will take along. So be loving, be kind, and remain in soul consciousness. Be infinite. You are not limited to this body. Just trust me. अगर God is light, it is being written. We can't limit God. Our soul is made of the same substance. We are infinite and unlimited. We are in this body, that doesn't mean that we are finite. We have vibrations, energies that can go beyond this room, this realm. It can go to kilometers and kilometers. There is telepathy that कि like कि मेरी conversations वहां तक जा रही हैं. We feel the other person with us. We are energy. We are energies completely. So we can be loving and kind to the world and not comparing ourselves with the people, with other people, and be grateful for what we have right now, because we have enough. We have all our needs met. It's just the wants that we are running towards. And लालच कभी भी पूरा नहीं होता है, कते भी नहीं पूरा होता. ते जेडी ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤਾਂ ਨੇ already ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ, then why we are ungrateful when all needs are already met? Why we are not grateful to God? He has given us a lot, everything He has given us. Look for the things that you already have. Why you compare? After 100 years, there's gonna be nobody here to whom you wanna show off that new car, that new clothes, or new phone, or anything. They won't be here. Just live for yourself. Live to express, not to impress. They won't be here. This fragile thing, ego, you will get to know about when you will to the people who you want to show off, when they will no longer be here. You will realize that you're having the false ego sense of self all the time. You wanted to show them off. To whom you want to show off? This body. This won't remain. As soon as we leave this body, we are energies, we are soul, we're the part of the Supreme. We'll leave this body, and this body will remain as it is. Die, it will become pale, and you can store it for years and years, but it won't speak. When you will die, that energy will transform from one form to another. But then this body, it will remain here. So you are body. You will be here. The body will be here. Who are you? If you are an engineer, how can you be Vikas or Vijay or anything? You can be one. A car can be car. Car can't be scooter. Who you are? That's a big question mark. If you are your profession, then why you are not your name? Then why you are अब किसी के सन हो, किसी के भाई हो, किसी के फादर हो, किसी कोई आपको एम्प्लॉय भी हो, कोई आपका नाम भी है. इतनी आइडेंटिटीज कैसे हो सकती हैं? जो लैपटॉप है वो लैपटॉप है, जो फोन है वो फोन है. फोन कैन नॉट बी लैपटॉप. कार कैन नॉट बी स्कूटर. स्कूटर कांट बी कार. कैमरा कांट बी फोन. वो एक ही चीज है, एक ही आइडेंटिटी है. देन हु यू आर? मल्टीपल रोल्स है असाइंड बाय द सोसाइटी. You are energy, you are a soul, you are eternal being. Realize this thing. You're gonna leave this body someday. And why living for this body only? Live for others, live for yourself. जो पशु है उसकी चमड़ी काम आ जाएगी, हमारी चमड़ी भी काम नहीं आएगी. Then why we are so proud of ourselves? What we have achieved, what we will take along after life. If you want to be proud of yourself, just list the things that you're gonna take along from here. It's the love that you will share. If you are proud of that thing, be proud, man. be proud that yes, I have given the love, and that is the God that has given the love through you, and it is not you. Again. So why ego? Who you are, if you know who you are pure love. You are part of the infinite. You will feel the bliss here right away. It's the if you are more depressed, you are more in ego. The more you are in ego, the more you feel depressed because जो कोई चीज़ मेरी बाहर से खाना पूर्ति नहीं हुई है मेरी ईगो पे लग गई, ये इसने मेरे साथ कैसे करते, मेरे मैं कौन है वो रियलाइज कर लो ना, मेरे साथ कर दिया तो मैं को चोट लगी, लगने दो ना, जितनी बार लगेगी तो रियल मैं निकल के आएगा। जितनी बार झूठ को चोट लगेगी सच निकल के बाहर आएगा। धीरे 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 तो झूठ को चोट लगने दो ना, जो सच्चा था कि वो निकल के आए, इजंट इट?